Hi guys, it's Rachel Reborns, and I am on a walk with Amy. Here's the Lemmy Lake. And we are going around the lake. And here's Amy. Looking at Daddy. I'm not talking too much because there's people and talking and walking and pushing. Oh. And we still have snow and ice on the lake, but not very much. Woo! Here. What is this?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ça? Oh, aucune idée.
It's cute though.
Juste une place pour s'écraser. Barbecue.
And here's a park for the kids. And there's a beach somewhere. Right there. There's a beach somewhere there. And I think we have
Beautiful park.
Yeah, we have done all the around the lake. So I'm gonna let you guys go. And Amy is in her fall one-piece suit with the ears, and she's looking cute. So yeah, I guess ça continue-tu là-bas?
Ouais, ça fait.
On a-tu tout fait le tour?
Ouais, non.
Ok. On continue-tu, hein?
Tout ça.
On continue-tu?
Oh, ouais.
Okay, I'm gonna do another video later. So bye guys, thanks for watching.